Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. The last video I posted was the how much I made off of DoorDash. This one is completely different. You know, I drop random videos, and the one before that, it was like how to make money in 2020, basically doing the ride shares, you know, the Uber and the Lyft and the delivery companies, Postmates, Grubhub, DoorDash, Uber Eats. Did I miss anyone? Yeah, no, that's it. Yeah. So, but this one is totally different. I'm gonna do an unboxing on this tensioner for my car, for my 2007 Toyota Avalon. Because, as I said, I'll show you an example of what was going on with my car. It's still drivable. It's just annoying by hearing that squeaky noise that I don't like because it's so annoying. Yeah, so here we go with the unboxing, guys. I don't want to hold you guys up, and I do not want to bore you guys at all. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Down here in Florida, it's like a little chilly. Down here, we woke up like in the 50s. I know in certain states, a lot of people would have been happy. Happy to be in the 50s right now. But it's like windy and it's chilly. It's windy and it's cold, basically. I think tomorrow the temperature is gonna drop because the sun wasn't holding on too long today. All right, so that's out of there, and this is what it looks like. Try to show you guys a video of how the vehicle sound and everything, and it's just making that ridiculous noise, that squeaky noise, just because of the tensioner, which is this right here. This is what it looks like. Yes, this is what it looks like, guys. I'm taking it out of the bag. So as I said, if you guys trying to diagnose, if you ever have that problem, because my car is a 2007, it's an old vehicle. I'm over 230,000 miles. 100,000 miles, right? I think I'm saying it correct. 230,000? 230, yeah, 230,000 miles. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. I'm over that. Like, Toyotas runs forever. Like, you'll be amazed. My friend, he have a 1989 Toyota Camry, the old school body one, and it's still running up to now. It's amazing. So the Japanese really put in work. Like, their cars are just reliable with the Toyotas. Toyotas, Lexus, they're just amazing. Hondas, Acuras, they're amazing. But this is the tensioner, guys. So this is what making the squeaky noise on my car. So I'm going to replace it. And if I don't replace it by myself, I'm basically going to just take it to the shop and just let them install it. But majority of the time, I'll do it myself. I'll check it out, do it myself. Or take it to my friend and he'll do it. He work at Lexus. So, and you know, Lexus, Toyotas is the same company, basically. Lexus is just more sell the luxury brand, but it's still Toyota run the whole thing, if you guys don't know that. Yep. So yeah, this is a tensioner. So I'm gonna show you guys a video that what's going on with that squeaky noise and how my vehicle basically sound, and I hate it so much. It's so embarrassing. Not really embarrassing. It is embarrassing, but mostly it's annoying. I hate picking up my customers when I'm driving Uber and Lyft and my car sounding like you hear that squeak noise. The car is clean and everything and smell nice inside and clean outside as well, but it's making, what is that? But anyways, wow. But yes, anyways, yeah, it's kind of embarrassing when you pull up in a car that looks so nice and smells so good and clean, and it's making noises. So making some squeaky noise. Like, I thought it was the belt at first until I get it checked out. I checked it. I was like, you know what, let me try to spray some belt dressing on it and see if that noise persisted. And it continued making the noise, and I was like, nah, it gotta be the like the pulley or the tensioner. Yeah, it was the tensioner. It's the tensioner. It's this right here. So I'm so happy. I got this for, as I said, I got it for 36 bucks off of eBay, and it was a fast shipping. I think I bought it like last week, and they said it's gonna come on Tuesday, and today is Tuesday, so it came on time. I can't remember what date that I bought it on last week, but I bought it last week, came today. Not bad at all. Fast shipping, brand new tensioner, so everything works. Can't wait to get it installed so I don't hear that embarrass or annoying, mostly annoying noise I can't take. But yes, guys, let's get into the video. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you an example of how it sounds when you have a bad tensioner. Sometimes it do make a squeaky noise when the belt is also going bad, or if the belt is too loose. But I already checked that out, so I know it's not my belt making that squeaky noise. I know it's the belt tensioner, so order one, and let me try to show you guys and give you guys a good example of what I've been hearing. So I popped the hood. I basically popped the hood, and I'm gonna go up closer. As you can see, I popped the hood. I don't know if you guys could hear it. Well, nobody can hear it until I probably go to the front. I don't know, sometimes it make noise. Depends on what gear I'm in. You hear it louder when I'm in drive and I have my foot on the brake. I don't know if you guys could hear it, but I'm gonna go to the hood. I'm gonna put it back in park. It depends on what what I have it in. If I have it in drive, you hear it the loudest. It kind of gets quiet when I put it in neutral. In reverse, you hear it loud as well. And in park, somewhat. You'll hear it. Sometimes you'll not hear it that much, but you mostly hear it when I'm in drive. Let me go to the front of the vehicle so you guys could hear it, and I'm going to show you guys how it really looks like out of the box. See, it runs, you could barely see it because the belt, everything is running off the belt, as you can see right there, in between there, and also in back between there as well. But I know you guys could basically hear it, and I'm gonna basically do it myself, or if I'm not feeling lazy, I'll just take it to the shop and just let them install it, or let my friend install it, and I'll just pay him to do it, because I don't really trust certain people to look at my vehicle. I learn it myself and I do it myself, and I know that I will get it done right, basically. But yeah, that's the squeaky noise that I've been hearing, and it gets very annoying at times, especially when I have it in drive. When I pull up at the drive-thru to order some food or whatever, it gets real loud and very annoying. So this is the problem that I'm having. It's not no major issue, it's just getting annoying by hearing the squeaky noise. But if you guys having this problem and it's not the belt, it's the belt tensioner. And to figure that problem out, you could just purchase some belt dressing, like at Walmart or at the advanced store, and just spray it on your belt. And if that noise stops, it's your belt. If it don't stop, it's the tensioner, basically. Or you could just have it checked out to see if the belt is too loose. Sometimes when the belt is loose a little bit or too tight, it'll make that noise as well. But for my situation, is the belt tensioner. So I purchased a new one off eBay, and it was really cheap. It was like 36 bucks. And at the advanced store, it was real expensive. It was like 220 something dollars, and it was more expensive at the dealership, of course. But I got mine off eBay for like 36 bucks. So it's good to shop around to get something cheaper, and it'll still do the job. But this is a little example. I just want to let you guys hear it and try to show you guys. And so guys, that's what I'm talking about. That squeaky noise you're hearing that the car is making. As I said, there's nothing wrong. It's still drivable. Nothing is stopping me from driving. Nothing is going to happen. It's not going to stop me from driving. I just don't like that sound. Usually when you have an older vehicle and something is going to go wear and tear. And to tell the truth, I really don't have to change it. Like, I really don't, but the noise is just ridiculous. I don't like it. So it's only 36 bucks for the part, and I'm going to install it myself or let my friend install it. Or if I would decide to spend any money, probably take it to the shop and just let them install it, which that's a low chance that I'm gonna do that, because only if something big and major that I can't get to, I'll probably take it to the shop and let them take care of it. But tell you guys the truth, I'd rather do it myself or take it to my friend. As I said, he work at Lexus and he'll come and check it out. We'll do it together, and hopefully I'll make a video about it. I mean, installing it. That'd be great, so I could show you guys. But let's wrap things up with this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I love you guys. I gotta catch up on a lot of you guys' videos. Want to give a shout out to Metro Sonic. I had watched his video the other day. I can't even remember all you other guys' name. Oh, it's sad. Who else? Man, I can't remember. Oh wow, that's sad. I know you guys probably mad at me right now. I feel so horrible. I feel so bad. I'm sorry, guys. I am so sorry that I can't remember you guys, but I appreciate everybody who watches my videos. I gotta do like a shout out videos because you guys are lovely, man. And you guys are lovely. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I can't believe it's only Metrosonic I could remember. I was watching the other girl videos too. I think she's in Canada and I cannot remember her name. Oh yeah, her name is Jay. Shout out to Jay. And shout out to the other lady with the dreads as well. I can't remember. And I can't remember her name. Some island that she's from. How can I forget? She always watch my videos. Shout out to her. And shout out to Montgomery. I can't remember the names. I am so bad. I'm such a bad person. It's been that long I haven't been keeping up with my YouTube people. Shout out to Sam the Man. I haven't watched his videos in a while. He been watching mine, you know. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to all you guys who watch my video. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all the love and the respect and all the watch time. I really do. Thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Yeah. Peace out. Bye-bye. Take care. I am out until I drop another video. And I'm going to have to watch you guys. Everybody who watch my video, I got to go back onto y'all channel and watch y'all videos as well. Oh, my. Yeah. Peace.